These are my HD 599s. These are from Sennheiser. If you guys want to check out the video I did on these, I'll put a link up in the cards now. These do have one flaw. The cord sucks. These actually have a locking mechanism that go in here and you twist. Super handy, nothing wrong with that. And I've actually only had these for probably less than a year and they're still holding up pretty good. Obviously you can see kind of the gunk and stuff. I actually didn't even notice that. That's kind of gross. Sorry I had to see that. I will clean these up after this video. Regardless, the cord sucks. It likes to bundle up and just bunch up for no reason. And it's super annoying when I'm trying to wear the headset. Now this headset's extremely comfortable. I've actually worn this for long hours. It took me a while to get used to it, seeing how they're open back, but so here's the actual cord. One thing I hate about it, and I know they did this on purpose because this headset's not necessarily just for gamers, it's for like audio professionals and stuff. So they did obviously include an adapter, but let's off to the side. Here's the cord. As you can see at the end where it plugs into the headset, it's bent a little. And that would be due to the just poor cable quality on Sennheiser's part. I mean, I wasn't roughhousing with it. I wasn't doing anything weird with it. I actually had it through and stretched so it wouldn't do that, because like right around here, like right around in this general area, before I did that, not stretched, but like straight, so it doesn't bunch up. It would literally like roll up and wrap up. I don't know why it's not doing it now. Maybe it was under tension or it was like twisted or something. I don't know. I think it might have been twisted, to be honest with you, and I just didn't realize it. I tried everything to untwist it, but now it's just untwisted because I'm obviously recording. It's annoying. So that's what this video is about. I have a replacement cord for it and we're gonna test it out. It's about 14 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to buy it, if you do like it. One of the other reasons I did this is because this sucks. It's heavy. When I have it plugged into the back of my computer, it actually like kind of sags a little, because this is meant for like, this is not 3.5 millimeter. I don't actually know the name for it, but somebody did a comment on one of my older videos saying what it was for. So let me go actually look back at what he said. Oh wow, yeah, I've actually had this headset for a year. I uploaded the first video on February 22nd of 2025. I have had this headset for a year. That is actually crazy. I actually pinned this and you guys can check it out in the comments below. I'll put a link to the video up in the cards and in the comments. But Tia1617, I'll put a screenshot of the comment on screen now, stated that this is actually not meant for guitars like I thought it was. It's a 6.25 millimeter jack. It's just a standard used in headphone amplifiers for audio interfaces and headphone outputs. I didn't realize that. I obviously am a headphone noob. I've really just like headsets because if it sounds good, and these actually sound really good, by the way. So if you actually do get your hands on a pair of these, then definitely recommend this cable that I'm about to show you, because this is annoying. Obviously this is fine because that's what it comes with, and it does come with an adapter. You also get a shorter cable, but I don't like using the shorter cable because it doesn't reach my computer and I want to plug it into the back, which for some reason when I have it plugged into the back, I think it might be the adapter if I'm being honest. Sometimes like one side will work and the other side won't, and sometimes it's switched and flopped. I don't know why that's the case, but I'm hoping this new cable supports and fixes that problem. I know this is kind of a random video. I actually wasn't planning on doing this video, but I figured I would share my experience with you because I'm sure people who have this headset have experienced the same issue as me. If not, then it's probably just a skill issue. But I will be wrapping this cable up and keeping it as a backup. I will probably put it back into the box because I'm pretty sure I kept the box. I usually keep boxes. And if I ever want to like take these with me and I want a longer cord, I could just travel with this because the cord works fine. I don't have any issues with it. Only when it was plugged into the back of my computer, I had some weird issues with it. But we're going to put this off to the side and check out the new cord. So here it is. It's from Geek Raya, or Geek Raya. Honestly not sure. It's not sponsored or anything, but I mean, if you guys are watching this video and you want to sponsor me, check me out. My email is up in my About Me section on my channel. But let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. So far, it looks pretty good. I really like the packaging. It's got like a little leather strap, and it does come with an adapter for regular size to bigger, which is nice. Well, 3.5 to 6.25. Thanks again, Tia1617. And the other reason I got this is because it's braided. So this one shouldn't fray or get worse over time, stuff like that. But yeah, that's what this is for. And this does have the locking mechanism. So I'm actually hoping this works. Hopefully that kind of looks small, but I'm pretty sure that's the size of the other one. So can you stop rolling? Look at that. Fits just fine. That's awesome. This also just is a better cable overall, just because it's not going to twist. I hope if it does, then I'll let you guys know, but I don't think it'll twist. And then this is the end that goes into the computer, but also supports, there we go, that. So if you want to use it in an amplifier or audio interface, which if I ever get an audio interface, then I'll definitely hook this up because I know that can sound much better than just plugging it straight in the computer, but I don't have one of those. So yeah, that's the cord. I'm not gonna like plug it in or show you what it looks like because there's not really a need to. It's a cord. If you guys actually do want to see a video at some point of me telling you like my 1 month or 1 year later with this, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely do that. I can just do a YouTube short or something. And if I do that and you guys want to see it, make sure to enable your notifications so you don't actually miss that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and my little rant about the headset. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm just doing random tech stuff, let me know in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace out.